but I think I've seen more than ever in the last several months, people asking for visuals.
Mhm.
They want to see photos during the process. They want to see videos. They know now if they go, to get service at a dealership, they're getting a video,
Yeah.
recorded video, walk around of the vehicle. People are starting to ask for that on collision repair.
Let's unpack that for a second, because we're seeing this too. One of the things that we actually just built is a really simple tool where you take a picture of the VIN, you grab some video or pictures, and it's giving the customer the update. And immediately we can tie that back to a better overall experience, giving that customer the wow, where it's like, hey, it's a video. Hey, Rachel, here's your BMW, and you can see that the painter's got it all masked up. It's ready to head into the booth. I just wanted to give you a quick update, like highly personalized.
Ooh, I like that.
There's the wow factor that has on the customer. Tell us about what you're seeing. We're seeing some pretty astounding things, but what are you guys seeing when those kind of things happen?
I would say for me personally, the biggest thing that I'm seeing is the result of not doing it. So in terms of customer research on the surveys, I'm seeing a lot of comments where people are disappointed because they're not getting the communication they're looking for. They're asking for this because the shop isn't doing anything along those lines. So I'm definitely seeing that this is a need that needs to be met.